Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download forex systems, forex robots, forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. In this video we are going to talk about when do I stop looking at forex indicators. Yes, forex indicators can be great tools when it comes to analyzing the charts. I find that the few forex indicators that I still use, I basically use them as tools, not as indicators. Help me to visualize the market. That's all that they do for me. I know people who actually use forex indicators as entries with their forex trading, which I believe is the wrong way to use indicators. Indicators are that usually indicators, for example, why I stopped using them is, let's face it, indicators are lagging. Indicators plot things that have happened already in the market, so you cannot rely on them for future trades, of which that's what people mostly use them for. Some people try to have these forex indicators tell them when to enter, when to exit, or try to have these forex indicators predict the market for them, and they end up frustrated when it doesn't happen like that. Forex indicators do not predict the market. All that they do is plot what has already happened. The tools that I use, you can call them indicators, but the tools that I used, I think they are on this channel. You can go watch some videos on this channel. Basically that plot my supply and demand, my support and resistance, and that's all. That's the tools that I use. So when do I stop looking at forex indicators, or when should you, if you are still using forex indicators, stop looking at forex indicators? First of all, do not use forex indicators as your complete and your sole entry. Do not rely on forex indicators alone without anything else. Don't rely on forex indicators alone to tell you whether the market is turning or whether you should enter the market. That's the wrong way to use forex indicators. They can be helpful when you use them in the grand scheme of things with other things like price action, market structure, the supply and demand that I've mentioned. When you're looking at candles, at patterns and things like that, then you can also include your indicators to form a broader picture about what is happening at that particular time with the market. But you cannot use the indicators by themselves without anything else. That is a recipe for disaster. Second point is avoid using forex indicators when they are showing you something that does not fit your trading plan. If you have rules that you have set for yourself for entries, for exits, and a forex indicator is telling you something else, do not consider that indicator. Like I said, forex indicators are there to help you visualize the market. That's all that they do for me. They just help to visualize the market. They don't tell me when to enter, when to exit. So if you have a plan that when the pair does this, when the pair does that, when you see this pattern and when you see that candlestick, when you see this, and the indicator is telling you something else, trust me, don't even look at the indicator. Just continue looking at your market structure, your price patterns, your things like that. Those things are more reliable than indicators. Third point is I encourage people to only look indicators when they actually are in line with what you have probably already seen. If you saw that the market is going up and everything else is showing you that the market is going up, and lastly an indicator is showing that the market is going up, then the market is certainly going up. If the indicator shows you that the market is going down, but when you analyze without the indicators you see that the market is going up, then there is a problem. Do not consider the indicator in that scenario. So I hope this helps you with your trading. Indicators can be great tools, but you need to take care when you use indicators. Do not over rely on these indicators, otherwise you end up with huge problems. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.